In this video, we will demonstrate another common issue that homeowners face: water overflow or leakage. One of the most common reasons for water leakage and overflow is due to the cistern flush valve being clogged with salt deposit or dirt or scaling or contamination on the seat washer or flush valve. This is a simple issue that can be fixed in few steps. Here's how. Step 1. Open the flush plate by pressing the button under the plate. Step 2. Unscrew the flush plate. Step 3. Remove the inner cover. Step 4. Remove the support block. Step 5. Before removing the flush valve, stop the flow of water by closing the angle valve inside. Step 6. Empty the water in the tank by lifting the blue lever of the flush valve. Remove the flush valve by lifting it up and diagonally removing it from bottom to the top. Step 7. Clean the washer. Step 8. Insert the flush valve back to the tank diagonally and place it in its position. Maintain the blue lever on the left to ensure its proper placement. Step 9. Start the flow of the water by turning the angle valve. Step 10. Place the support block. Step 11. Place the inner cover. Step 12. Fasten back the flush plates. If the leakage or overflow persists after servicing the flush valve, we need to check the other component, the filling valve. Another common reason for water leakage and overflow is due to the cistern filling valve being clogged with salt deposit, dirt, scaling, contamination on the diaphragm washer or flush valve. This is a common issue which can be fixed in simple steps. Step 1. Before removing the filling valve, stop the flow of water by closing the angle valve. Step 2. Empty the water in the tank by lifting the blue lever of the flush valve. Step 3. Remove the filling valve by lifting the clip provided that connects the angle valve and filling valve. Step 4. Dismantle the seal set by turning it in the clockwise direction. Step 5. Remove the diaphragm washer and clean the washer. Step 6. Insert the diaphragm washer in the seal set. Secure the seal set. Step 7. Assemble the filling valve back to its original condition. Step 8. Fit the filling valve back by securing it to the angle valve. Step 9. Start the flow of the water by turning the angle valve. Step 10. Place the support block. Step 11. Place the inner cover. Step 12. Fasten the flush plate.